Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I am so excited. I am so excited for this. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw demo. I'm not gonna say anything else because it's self-explanatory. I've been waiting for this for so long, and I'm just gonna get it right into it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm just so excited. Alright, come on. Yes!
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
I am so giddy. Okay, hold on. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Yay! Oh man, look at my jacket. I always love the... I actually have Leon's jacket. I don't have it wearing it right now. I'll wear it when the game actually comes out. But, you know, this is just so cool. Oh! Yes. Come on. There we go. Okay, where do I go? Ah, finally, the running feels like running. Too many Resident Evil games where running was more or less just power walking. Let's, okay, can't go that way. And, ooh. Okay, not gonna question that. Oh, boy, this looks so good. And, wait, what is that? The hell is that? Oh, lovely. Lovely. Wonderful. E to crouch? E. E to crouch. Okay. Oh, man. Is that a rabbit? I hope that's a rabbit and not a cat. It's over here. Nothing? Nothing. I don't know about you guys, but this is awesome. Oh no, I remember something like this from the original game. It's been so long since I played the original game. Okay then. Huh. Se acerca el juicio. Judgment is nigh. Okay. Crude charm. Interesting. Well, if no one knew I was here, they do now. What does that say? Hasta el fin viviremos contigo, te morimos. I don't have a key. Hello? Ooh. Oh no. Is this where it is? Oh my god!
Sorry to barge in like this.
God, they made this more creepy now.
Busco a un Felicia. Vino aquí?
Okay. I love that. In the original game, for those of you who don't know, Leon doesn't speak Spanish. So seeing that surprised me. Bravo, I love that. I'm down with it. I want Leon to speak Spanish. Fits his character. Uh-oh. Mario! Oh my god! Leon, you just broke the poor man's neck! You barged into his home and then you break his own neck. Like, sure, he's a ganado, but you just kicked him and you killed him. What is wrong? Who's the real parasite here, Leon? Jeez. What is this? Oh, is that fingers? Oh, I'm getting to flashbacks to the Baker house, and oh man, I really wish though that they had the like laser sight effect. I would love that, but you know, can't have everything. Mario. Oh, I hope that edit doesn't get me demonetized by Nintendo. Hello? Oh no, no. Hello? Hello?
Hey.
Oh. Ew.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Leon, you've been to Raccoon City. You should know that something bad is going on, and that's about all you should know.
What was that?
Why? That's not a good thing. I don't want that. Whenever a game says ready weapon, shoot. That usually means something bad is going to happen. Holy piss snot! Nope, nope, not happening. Okay, come on.
This just keeps getting worse.
Are you dead? Can I, like, stomp on you, like, Dead Space style? Hold on, I can... Okay, I think he's dead. Oh, also, I read something where this is actually the same knife that Leon received from, Marvin Brana. It's really nice detail, and I really like that. You know, he's using that to honor him. I really like it. Hello? Ooh. Oh, crap, hold on. Right there. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to block the HUD there. Okay, is there anything in here? Dude, the lighting in this game is so awesome. Like, it looks like 2005. And I know that doesn't make sense, but it looks gritty and dark. And I love that. This is so cool, man. Hello? Hello? Hola? Hola, pendejo. Oh, no. Oh my god! I sliced your jugular. Ow! I can't dodge a ball! Oh, wait. Oh, yeah! Be dead. Oh, oh. So you just turn into ash, then. That's what I'm getting at here. Come on. Come on. Where do I go? Okay, so go in here, and you'll find something? I already saw that. Judgment is an eye. What do I... Where do I go, guys? This is strange. Very, very strange. Over here, maybe? Oh, there's an upstairs. Huh.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to people here. My escorts are. Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
Oh my god! I don't know why, but that animation was just the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I'll let myself out. Oh, rickety. Wait, there was something there, wasn't there? Ah, I was probably just seeing it. I hope you're enjoying this, everyone, because I know I am. Oh, is there a puppy here? Pupper! Pupper! I remember there was a dog. I do remember that. There was a dog. And, ooh. Oh, yeah! I really like how they kept the same design as the original. It's so cool. 12 handgun ammo. Oh! Wow, they got the plus. That's interesting. Yeah, that makes sense. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, if you were to reload a gun that already has a bullet in the chamber, you could technically have more ammunition than you would already have. If that makes sense. Gunpowder. Can I not save? Come on, I want to save! Fine. Was it always this bright out? Or am I going... Alright, everyone, that's Resident Evil 4. I'm not playing this game. Alright, fine. Why? Why do they have to kill the doggy? No! But why? What purpose? Yeah, this is edgy. No. No, no, no. You could have just kept the dog alive. Why did you have to kill it? I hate you. I hate all of you. Pesetas. Ooh, hi. Where'd you come from? Coño to you too. Hell yeah. Oh, come on!
Damn it.
That is the most blunt bear trap I've ever seen. Uh-oh. I remember. I remember you're right there. I knew it! Ooh! Oh, what did I just do? Did I parry that? Hold on. Oh! Dude! I parried an axe with a knife, and this is the best game ever. I take everything back. Come on. Ooh! Can I craft ammo? The map, yeah. And I can drop? No. Can I not drop? Ah, I see. Handgun ammo. What is that? What is... okay. Red herb. Flash grenade. Okay. Handgun ammo. What the hell just fell? Was that always there? Huh. Well, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the game shines. Sorry, mijo. Only Jesus can save you now. Oye! Con permiso. Ah, crap.
Here we go.
Come on, attack me, Grammy. Ow! Okay, I was expecting to block that. Okay, I do remember where one thing is, though. It's kick all of you and crap. Hold on, I want to see what this does. Oh, hell yeah, Leon. Alright, I remember seeing this in the trailer. Hold on. I remember seeing this. Burn, cow!
Kill me for the repairs later.
I guess that didn't work that well. Oh my god, head explosion. Fuck. Right there? Really? Okay, fine. No, 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 it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Get in here. Do I need a button mash? Nope, nope, it's fine, it's fine.
Well, I guess you just have to be prepared to die.
Chainsaw. Come on, say it. Oh, come on!
It's my lucky day.
Oh, there it is!
Oh, nice.
Hit. Okay. Alright, you bastard. Come here. Oh! Oh! Can I jump out? Yep. Oh. Ooh. Okay, maybe jumping out was a bad idea. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Wait. Whoa. Okay, flashbang. Screw you. Okay, get... Oh! Well, my knife broke. That's fun. Ow! Okay, do I have any health? I have nothing. Okay, 4 grenades! Oh, please tell me. Please tell me he says the line. We all know which line I'm talking about. Anyone who's played the game knows what I'm talking about. Please say the line. Please. I beg you. Just say the line.
Tenemos que servir.
Come on, Leon. Say the line. Say the line, Leon. Come on.
Where's everyone going?
Yes! 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 Oh, is that the end? I don't want it to end. Ah! Is there like any... No, thank you for making this game. Woo. Woo. That was awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, well, that was the Resident Evil 4 demo. I hope you enjoyed it, because I sure as hell did. And, as always, you don't need to subscribe. I'm just happy to perform videos for you today. Alright, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye.